Hi, I'm Richard Odyssey, and I help real estate investors raise private capital for their deals.
I'm an 11-year real estate investor veteran, and I use private money to fund my deals. And I've developed a street-smart system for raising private money that works with real people and real private investors with real money. And because I'm also a private money investor as well as a real estate entrepreneur, I've been where you are and where your potential private money lenders are. And I'm going to help you understand both sides so you can get the private money you need to complete the real estate deals that you want. The biggest question I get all the time is, how do I structure a private loan so that it's attractive to my investor and works for my deal? The answer is that you need to pay attention to the terms and conditions so they both appeal to your investor's greed, decreases liability, and allow you to make the payments and the profit. And here's how.
Okay, now let's talk a little bit about financing through debt securities or promissory notes. Generally, unlike most institutional lenders, you're going to have your investors pay them on an interest-only basis. You're generally not going to amortize the loan because, why would you want to do that? All it's going to do is eat into your cash flow even more. And it doesn't really serve much of a purpose because your investor isn't. If your investor needs the kind of security that you need to pay down his note from day one, then you probably haven't made a good case for the investment. And in fact, if your property doesn't generate cash flow, you shouldn't be offering your investor regular payments. You can still have a promissory note. You simply put in as one of the repayment terms as the interest is going to be deferred or accrue until the time at which the property is sold, and then there'll be one lump sum payment of the principal and all the accrued interest. Now, it's a perfectly fine way of doing it, and probably the best way of doing it, because again, even with properties that cash flow, you don't want to run to a situation where there'll be times when you can't make the payment.
Now, if you like this video, I've made more video tips on how to structure your private lending deals so that your private investors win and they're eager to invest again and again. Just visit investorwealth.com. I'll see you there.